Hello guys, this is AR Shankar. Hope you and your family are doing safe. I'm so much excited to announce about our new DevOps program, that is Work Before Get Job. Me and our other instructor Mr. PR Reddy, we both sat together and created this program. This program helps for the people who would like to change or move their careers onto DevOps as soon as possible. Why I mentioned as soon as possible? Because in this course we have avoided unnecessary topics which may not help you either in interviews or in the real world work environment. So it majorly focuses on what you needed to crack interview and work in your real job. A kind of DevOps Power Pack course. And also we are going to simulate labs as closer as to real-time environment so that you feel that you are working on a real DevOps project. In this program, we are going to cover list of the tools which I am going to mention over here. That is, initially we starts with very basics, that is Linux, then AWS, then Git, then Bitbucket, Maven, Artifactory, SonarQube, Ansible, Nginx, Docker, Kubernetes, Grafana, Jenkins, Python, Terraform, MySQL, Jira, Kafka. So these all are the list of the tools which we are going to cover in this program. Don't get scared by looking all these tools. It will become as whenever it is necessary so that you don't feel that okay, we are introducing new tool. So while you are learning, you will feel that okay, this is the solution rather than the tool. To understand more better about this program, I will quickly go through with the course content. What do we cover? As I said, we are going to start with very basics, that is Linux. Then AWS. In AWS 10 to 11 services we are going to cover. So these are the tools. Then Azure DevOps. In Azure DevOps we are going to cover some basics so you can understand the variation between AWS and Azure. Then Terraform. Terraform is a infrastructure as a code. You will learn how to write Terraform templates which helps to provision the infrastructure on AWS. Next, in DevOps, we are covering various tools. First, we'll start with the HTTP web server, then Apache Maven, Tomcat application server, then Git, Bitbucket and GitHub. These all are version control systems. Next, Nginx application server. Then YAML. YAML is a scripting language which you need for Ansible as well as Kubernetes. Once you learn YAML, we discuss about Ansible. Then Artifactory. Then SonarQube. Then Docker. Then Kubernetes. Next, Kafka. Then Grafana monitoring. At last, Jenkins. So these all are the tools and topics which we are going to cover. This course content link I am going to mention in the comment section. You can just go through with that one. And we are going to cover some real-time projects. So here the list of the real-time projects. Next, Scrum process. Here you are going to understand how the tickets comes, how the process works to resolve an issue. You can understand how people works in the real world. Next thing, application deployment. We are going to deploy Java application, .NET and Python applications. At last, we are going to cover 15 real-time projects on various tools. One is on AWS, 3 on Ansible, 1 is on Docker, 2 on Jenkins, next 4 on Terraform, Lambda, Grafana, Kubernetes, Azure. So these 15 projects will help you to understand in various ways how the real-time projects works. Apart from this, we are having few more highlights of this program. Let me tell you about those. Here some of the highlights of this program. First thing is it starts from very basics. Nothing but even though if you don't have any prior knowledge on the technical side, you can still start with this program. Why? Because we cover from very basics of Linux. Next, you are going to get 1 year access to any DevOps batch. Once you have enrolled to this course, you can attend any number of times, whatever batches Valaxy covers. So that after 6 months, if you want to enhance or if you want to know what is the latest things are happening, you can still come back and attend the course. Next, we are going to create a exclusive Slack channel for technical support. In the sense, while attending, you are going to practice lot of labs, right? Whenever you struck up somewhere, me and PR Reddy will be available in the Slack channel, and whenever you post your queries, we will try to resolve as soon as possible. Apart from this, once you have completed the course, you are attending interviews and you don't know how to answer some of the questions, you can still post over here. We will be answering it. So technically, whatever help you need, me and other instructors are available in the Slack channel. We will help you whenever you struck up. Next, weekly assignments. We are going to give assignments every week so that you need to complete that assignment and submit to me. I will be closely monitoring your assignments, and also I will be advising if any improvements we can do the existing solution. That helps you to improve your skill in providing solutions. Next, 15 real-time projects with various DevOps tools we have already seen, right? So those projects are covered. Next, resume preparation. Once you have completed the course, we are going to prepare the resume. Next, mock interviews. Once you are ready to attend the interviews, we are going to take couple of interviews and we give the feedback where you have to improve and in which area you are strong. At last, you are going to get access to my popular courses like complete DevOps course, Linux course, DevOps project, Ansible. All these courses you are going to get access. Apart from this, whatever courses I am going to make in future, you are going to get access to those courses as well. These are the program highlights. And one more thing for the people who are already enrolled for the DevOps complete course, and if you wish to attend this program, you can still do that one, and the amount which you paid for this course, it will be reduced. Next, if you are interested to attend this program, then we are going to conduct a demo on 28th May 2021 at 7:30 a.m. IST. It is an Indian Standard Time. Friday morning we are going to conduct. This batch is going to happen on weekdays, that is 5 days in a week and every day 1.5 hour. It will be covered by Mr. PR Reddy, and I will be available assist you personally in the Slack channel and the assignments. For this program, we are going to charge 27,000. Okay, this is a Indian rupees. And if you feel that it is bit high, don't worry. We are giving discount for this batch. You can pay only 18,000 Indian rupees. So only for this batch we are giving this offer. If you are interested, yes, you can grab this opportunity. Again, as I already mentioned, if you are already enrolled our complete DevOps course, that amount will be less from the course fee. Next thing, duration for this course is 60 to 65 hours of interactive sessions, around 60 to 70 hours of recorded videos you are going to get, and I am also assisting you personally whenever you need help. Next, myself available on below number to clarify your doubts, so you can call on this number if you wish to speak with me. I will help you to understand this more better. And if you don't have any queries and if you wish to attend the demo, please fill your details in the form which we mentioned in the description of this video. I hope this program is going to really help you to move on to DevOps as soon as possible. Hopefully I will see you in the course and see you in the next video.